All right, everyone, we're back. 4 boxes of Topps Finest. Here we go. Break 445. By the way, people that are still waiting on payments for football, Mosaic, as well as hoops. So get to paying. Stephen T, Atlanta, Austin, Tyler. That's right, you got Austin FC. SCF Montreal, Tyler. Spencer with Charlotte, Chicago Fire, Brian A, as well as the Colorado Rapids. Tyler M with the Columbus and DC United. Brian A with Cincinnati. Stephen D, Dallas. Tyler with Houston. Brian A with Miami, Galaxy, LAFC, Minnesota. Tyler's got Montreal Impact and Nashville. Brian A with New England Revolution. Stephen T, New York City FC. Marcus with Red Bull. Stephen T with Orlando and Philadelphia. Marcus V with the Timbers. Robbie K with Salt Lake. Earthquakes going to Tyler M. Andrew M with the Sounders. Jesus with Kansas City. Tyler with Toronto and Vancouver. Congratulations to everybody that bought their teams. We appreciate you buying with us. If you haven't made your payments yet, please head to eBay and check out already. Here we go. Good luck. Good luck, good luck, good luck. Break 445.
Feel like the girl from yesterday.
What's that? Courtney?
Oh, Tyler? Does he have a lot of teams in this?
Yeah.
Oh.
Yeah, Courtney had a bunch. Tyler, you got a bunch, yeah. So I guess that's good.
Why so many, Tyler?
Man has a monkey on his back.
He's got a monkey.
All right.
You don't like the wheels?
Just you know that plastic bottom thing, the little mat. Like there's grooves, from where I sit, and it's pretty hard to. Once I'm in the groove, it's okay, but if I get out, the seat just wants to go away from me. So
got it.
It's a my problem. Don't worry about it. I got this.
It's a what problem?
It's a my problem. I got this. It's my problem.
Okay, I got it.
All right. I could just get rid of the whole plastic thing to begin with, but then the carpet has those grooves in it. Yeah, not a fan of that either. What I should do is get a carpet, a little very thin carpet, a little rug. You know what I'm talking about? On top of the carpet.
Talking about rugs today?
I mean, nobody else is talking about it. There you go. Good luck, everyone. Here's a Tavon Gray. Chrome. Or refractor. I'm sorry, refractor. We're doing refractors now. Navarro rookie. There's Chara. And our first auto is Paxton Pomykal. Refractor. That's for FC Dallas. That's for Stefan D. Alexandria rookie, and we have an orange refractor of Quinn Sullivan. That's going to be the 25. 12 of 25 for Philadelphia. For Stephen T. There you go. 12 of 25. Nice low numbered.
Tyler's 0 for 2.
0 for 2 is what he said.
Right,
Shinyashiki. Purple. That's 187 to 250 for Charlotte.
He said, that's what I see. He wrote that. 0 for 2, Tyler. That's exactly right.
Yep. Jack McGlynn. Kai, refractor rookie. Brenner, prize footballer. There's a hyper pink of Poku. 125. That's 41 of 125 for LAFC. Brian. Rookie of Loba and Cecido. Sullivan rookie. A Kolmanich refractor rookie. Kai. Roldan, prize footballer. And we have a Mukhtar auto. There's our Hanny. It's going to be for Nashville. For Tyler. Tyler, you got yourself a Hanny Mukhtar auto. Refractor auto, I should say. Congrats, Tyler. GT rookie. A purple Galvan. for Colorado, which is Brian. 78 of 250. We get the insert of Callens. Navarro rookie. A blue Brooks Lennon. That's going to be to 150. 81 of 150 for Atlanta. That's Stephen T. Ricardo Pepi refractor. Alexandre rookie. Gill. Quinn Sullivan rookie Hyper Prism. Prism, Jesus. You know what I mean. 58 of 125 for Philadelphia.
He said, "You know what I mean."
So used to saying it.
You guys, this is the rest of our MLS. We do have one Strangler box. If anyone's interested,
Yeah, we have one final box.
it could be yours. Just let us know.
Yep.
On the low.
Yeah. If you want a personal, single, all we got left is one box of this. Just one little guy. That little guy. Somehow, some way, we think we sold other ones or something, or we did personals, and
We sold a few.
I think we sold 3 or something, and we were left with the odd number of the 4th one. There's one final box of this. Should anybody have any appetite for a personal, I guess.
I think the next soccer release is Revo, English Premier League. So we will be waiting for that next.
English Premier League, you say, huh?
Yeah.
Gotta get back to those.
We got to get back to those teams. And
Yeah.
names.
BVB and Liverpool and Southampton, and gotta remember all that stuff now.
There's a lot of cases of Revo, man.
A lot of cases of Revo. It's okay.
$8 break, right?
Yeah, it's cool. Revo's a good product. I like Revo. It's fun. Especially when you get a one-of-one Kaleido. Alaina de la Dane. Notice I don't talk about John Moran anymore like I used to.
No, you don't.
I'm so disappointed from last night. Hopefully I hit some awesome immaculate hits. And then I'll get back on the jaw tip. McGlynn. Lindsay refractor.
What you gonna get on what?
The tip.
Who's tip?
Joss tips.
Yeah, you better careful
Yeah.
what you say.
So I
out
said
loud.
Joss tip.
Yeah,
Yeah, what?
just the tip.
Oh, just a tip? Just to see how it feels? A little game called Ouch Ouch here on my hair. Deber Salcido. Vancouver.
This is when I quit.
Tyler. Now you got another auto. You got a Salcido auto. There's the Pink Hyper of Cifuentes. That's 91 of 125. Miles Robinson. Rookie of Almada. Rookie Baker Whiting. Rookie Ivanov. Insert of Sapong. Che rookie. Refractor of Mukhtar. Torres rookie. Costa. Cabral rookie. Harper rookie. There's a Speckle of Brenner to 175. 104 to 175 FC Cincinnati. There you go, Brian. And Vasiliev. Baker Whiting rookie. There's a Quinn Sullivan refractor. A Danny Leyva. That's for Seattle Sounders. That's for Andrew M. There you go, refractor auto. Danny Leyva. Rookie of Torres. Efrain Alvarez. Che rookie. Insert of Valentin Castellanos. Rookie of Harper. Come back here. Quinn Sullivan rookie, a Speckle of Gite. That's going to be numbered to 175, 142 to 175 for Austin. Tyler. Opoku, refractor. Rookie of Vasiliev. Cabral rookie. Paxton Pomical, insert. Okay, rookie, Centurion. Vela. This one's numbered. 50. 16 of 50, so that's a gold.
Yeah. Cool.
Gold, Carlos Vela. Huh?
I can see it now on the background.
Yeah. Knew something was different. That's for LAFC, which is Brian A. Congratulations for Carlos Vela to 50. Something just felt different. GTA rookie. You just know. When you know, you know.
When you know, you know. Never in doubt.
Never in doubt. All right, box 3. By the way, I never made it to the post office today, Tyler. I'm sorry, man. It's been a crazy, hectic day. Just a weird day to begin with. Tomorrow it's closed, but I'll go there probably Monday. Got to figure out what the hell's going on. From what I understand, I think that it's stuck, and I may be able to retract it or have it sent back, but I don't know. Stuck somewhere. I gotta have them tell me what's going on. They wouldn't tell me, and like, you gotta come in. And
they say where? Is it over the border already? If it's over the border,
it kind of
a few days.
Yeah, I mean, it appears like it was over the border, like it was checked at some whatever, but I don't know.
When did you send it?
Oh my god, I sent it like December 12th, maybe?
Oh,
13th, 14th, maybe a little later.
That's
before Christmas, though, for sure.
That's a long time. I thought it was recent.
What's up, Travis? Good luck. Good luck with that parlay. I'm going in there. I'm going to take care of it. Because we'll see. I made a mistake and I sent it through my company. And it's a little weird when you use a company account.
Oh, really?
Yeah, because I thought, oh, okay, I'll save some money because it's international. First, I thought they were going to use DHL.
Oh.
But it was not DHL. So.
I sent him a pack. How much did you pay?
I didn't pay because it was through,
I sent him a box.
Yeah.
Via UPS. I paid $16. It got there within like 3 days, dude.
Oh, well, obviously I shouldn't be shipping. This is another reason I don't know shipping. All right. Torres, rookie.
6-year grind.
There's a Gonzalo Higuain, the 150 blue from Inter Miami. Brian, that's 129 of 150. Roldan, refractor. Vasiliev, rookie. Cabral, rookie. Paxton Pomykal. There's a Daniel Saloy auto refractor for Sporting Kansas for Jesus. Sullivan, rookie. A Raul Ruidiaz, purple. That's to 250. 132 to 250. Seattle Rounders. A insert of McGlynn. K, rookie. Or Kai. Caden Clark, refractor. GTA, rookie. Vasiliev, that's a Speckle. To 175, 170, 175. Navarro, rookie. Brenner. What?
These new sleeves are
no good?
They're good. I gotta get used to them.
Oh. Zardes, refractor. Christian Roldan, auto for Seattle Sounders. There you go, Andrew. Refractor.
They're packaged differently, so it's like
when
you get in the rhythm.
Alvarez.
I get there.
Full manage. Glenn. There's a Roldan Centurion. This one's not numbered. Valentin Castellanos insert. Guess I should be checking these too. Maybe you do. Bedoya, refractor.
Not all.
Almada, rookie. Whiting, rookie. Ivanov, rookie. Chara. Che, rookie. Pink Hyper of Achara. That's 101 of 125 for Toronto. There you go, Tyler. Yourself a Pink Hyper of Achara. Harper rookie. All right. Final box. Like I said, we have one more box of this, guys. If anybody's interested in a personal, then we're all done with these. Like done. Never to be seen again.
Until next time.
Till next year. When they come up with some
unless someone says
finest update or something.
Unless someone says, "Hey, you want more of this?"
Yeah, so it's like, we got a case. If you're interested, we're like, well, I promised myself I wouldn't, but you know, right here in front of me, tough to say no. I mean, MLS hasn't been that bad.
Hey, Tyler, I know you said your boss is coming back from wherever he's traveling to on Monday. Keep us updated on that Revo, please.
Revo, what, WNBA?
Yeah.
Oh, they're trying to get rid of some?
He said he can...
they got pallets?
They got pallets, yeah.
Yeah, pallets on pallets.
Yeah.
Oops. That doesn't matter. I mean, I put it all in one stack. It don't matter. Don't bite it.
Gotcha. Almost there.
All right, here we go. The WNBA light. Oh,
what?
Took a shot. He said, I'll send it over, but I'll send you the light. Just like Bundesliga. McFarlane rookie, blue, Mihaljevic.
That hurt.
Mihaljevic blue to 150. A 22 to 150 for CF Montreal. That is for Tyler as well. Blue. George Mihaljevic. Cowl refractor. Mukhtar.
I know you're joking, man.
No, he's not.
But that was a good joke.
He's not joking. Rui Diaz, you should totally do it.
What? Do what?
Send you the light. Calvin Harris rookie, if there was one. Baldizimo.
If there was one, I would believe.
Yeah, Charo refractor. Jaden Nelson auto. That's going to be for Toronto. Tyler. Jaden Wilson, you got yourself a third auto. Stop bitching. You got Lopez, rookie. Drogba. You even have a Drogba. Wiley.
Say stop bitching.
Boubacar, you got yourself a Speckle for Colorado Rapids to 175 for Brian A. Flock, Vite. You know I love you.
Isn't he nice, Tyler?
Look, Tyler, I even got a Tyler wall. Look at that. I got 3 Tylers right here. Calvin Harris rookie. A George Bello purple for Atlanta United. That's 242 to 250. And a Paredes refractor. A Baldismo rookie. Castellanos insert. Lopez. Rahani Mukhtar. Wiley. Speckle of Brandon By. That's going to be to 175. 46 of 175 for New England Revolution, Brian. Aronson refractor. Flock rookie. Vite rookie. A Jordan Morris and Paxton Aronson auto. That's for Philadelphia Union. Stephen T. Rookie of Magno. And a blue Ferreira for FC Dallas, 67 to 150. Stephen D. And that's that. That is that.
That's all she wrote.
All she wrote.
He said, much success.
Not too bad, man. Not too bad. All right, we got Purple Bello, Blue Mihaljevic, Hyper Pink Achara, Speckle of Vasiliev, a Purple Rui Diaz, a Blue Higuain, a Speckle of Brenner, I should say, GT Speckle, a Centurion Carlos Vela to 50 gold, Cifuentes Pink Hyper, Lennon Blue, Sullivan Hyper Pink, Galvan Purple, Opoku Hyper Pink, Shinyashiki Purple, a Sullivan Orange to 25, a Speckle of By, a Blue Ferreira, Speckle of Abubakar. And a Paxton Aronson auto. Christian Roldan auto. Soloy auto. Leva auto. Pomicol auto. And our man Tyler got Sacido, Mukhtar, and Nelson. Congratulations, everybody. And for break 445, we are right back with 446.
We're going to catch up on payments, you guys, and we'll be back in about 10 minutes or so before the next break.